In the previous video, we looked at the topic centroids. In today's video, we'll be looking at the development of a hexagonal base pyramid that is cut at an angle. So the diagram on the left on the screen shows the front elevation of the hexagonal base pyramid, and the cut is shown. The cut is at 45 degrees, and the height of the cut on the center line is 50 millimeters from the base. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, we'll be drawing the plan for the hexagonal base pyramid. All right. All right, we're going to specify our center of the hexagon. Good. We have the plan. The next thing we're going to draw now, we're going to draw the base, right? So we're going to go line. Okay, and then we're going to draw, we need the height. Let us put on the height on the drawing. It's 110 millimeters, okay? So the height is height of the pyramid is 110 millimeters. All right, we're drawing the side there, there, there. All right, we're going to project lines down now to get the sides. So from this edge in the plan, I'm going to draw lines down. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the sides to the apex. Let me label the top here, the apex. All right, that is the apex. All right, so we're going to draw lines from the apex to the corner, which was projected from the plan. Good. So we have our basic pyramid, and what we want to do now, we're going to get the cut. So the cut is 50 millimeters above the base, and the angle is 45 degrees, right? So we can actually draw a line from 50 millimeters above, which is here, right? We're going to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees as shown in the question. So right, so that's the angle 45 degrees. We're going to extend the line. All right, good. There we have our front elevation. All right, let us darken it. I'm gonna darken it when we are finished, okay? All right, let us darken it. There, 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 there. Enter. Let's darken this slope sides, and good. So that's our given front elevation. So we have completed the first part of the question, which is to draw the given view, which is the front elevation of the hexagonal base pyramid that is cut at an angle. Good. All right. Now, the next thing that we're going to do from the apex, this is one. Let me label one here for you. This is one. All right, so let me go again into change this to the text layer. Text. All right, so we're gonna label one here. One, that's point one. All right, good. Now the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna draw an arc from the apex, and the radius will be from the apex to one. We're gonna draw an arc. Okay, so we go arc, and the one that we're looking for is center start. Center start, and the length. This would be our length. Good. All right. So what we're going to be doing now, we're drawing, having completed the front elevation, we'll be drawing the development as required by the question. So after we drew the arc, the next step was to mark an arc from one, and the radius would be 40 millimeters. So from one, we mark an arc with center one, we mark an arc, radius 40 millimeters to give us two. From two, we mark an arc with the center, the intersection of the arc where the arc is on two. We marked another arc to give us three. From where that arc intersects this arc, we drew another arc to give us the rest of the numbers that are the arcs that are shown on this highlighted arc. So went one, two, three, four, five, six, and then we also label the plan one, two, three, four, five, six, which would represent the sides going around. Okay. All right. The next thing that we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw lines. Let us change our layer back to our construction layer. So we're gonna draw a line from 2 to the apex, then to point intersection of 3. Then we're going to repeat again from 3 to the apex. We're going to draw a construction line. Then we're going to go to the intersection of the arc at 4.4. Then we're going to go for the intersection of the arc at 5 to the apex. Enter. Right? So what that would have given us is the sides of the pyramid, right? I'm going to remove this line for clarity. So I'm going to delete it. Okay, I'm going to delete this line too. Those are construction lines. We really don't need them at this point. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do from these points, this will be one, two, this will be one. All right, let us label them. So at the base, we're going to label them. So we have for the base, we're going to have we'll have the points. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to draw lines from the intersection here to the side, intersect the side of the, I'm going to go there, hold on, undo. I'm going to draw lines, I'm going to draw the middle line. All right, so we're going to go line, line, enter. All right, we're gonna copy this line. All right, let us turn off the midpoint. All right, so we're gonna copy this line, copy. I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there. Enter. Then I'm gonna extend those lines. I'm gonna trim the one that is passing the line. The apex one, I'm gonna trim. It's too tall. Right? And then I'm gonna extend these lines now. So I'm gonna extend this line. All right, enter. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw arcs from the apex to these points here along the line from this one. All right, we're gonna put, so having drawn the lines from, I'll remove this one. Having drawn the lines from those points, I'm gonna show you now where you're gonna draw the arcs from. It would be where this line intersects this again. Arc, center, start, length. So we're gonna go center, start. Then we're gonna go around, go around, go around. Center, start, length, center, radius, and we're gonna go up. Yes, good. Good. Gonna repeat the same process again. Center, start. I'm gonna go up again. Good. I'm gonna do the same thing for the next one. So center, gonna go again. Center, start, length. So here, gonna go around. All right. So here we have the points now. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna plot the points, okay? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna change our layer. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw lines for the base of the development for the um, pyramid. So we go line, line. This will be the base line. Then now we're gonna plot the top edge for the pyramid, which will be the top edge for the development. All right, so let us plot it now. So one on the development, the construction for the development, one and one will be right here, right? So let me mark it. So let me change to this, and we're gonna go right. So the point would be there, 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 there. Those will be the points that you'll be using to come across to plot the points. So let us go now. So one from the plan coming down would give us one here, right? So let us plot now using a different color. Let us use the same color, all right? So we're gonna plot where the points are. So the first point would be there. Next one, so we'll have two. Two would come across up here, come across, and two would be right there. All right. Then three would be along this line coming there, come across and go across. So three would be right there. Then four would be here because you have four coming here and four is coming out from here. So come around, four will be right there. Then we'll have five. Five will be here. Five will be coming up from here, go across, and then on the arc, and five will be here. Then we'll plot six. Six will be here, six, and six will be coming up from this line to intersect the yellow line, and it's going to come horizontal to the side of the pyramid, and the arc would carry it around, so six will be right here. Then one is here on the development, and one is coming from this point, coming around, so one will be right there. Okay? So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go back to our layer that says outline, and we're gonna draw lines for the top edge of the pyramid, which would be the lines required to complete the development. All right, so we're gonna go 1 to 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, and then we have to close it back to 1. Enter, right? So that is the development. We could draw a line over here. Let us draw that line. So this line, that will be the development. And to complete the development, what we would do, join these points. There, to there, there, to there, there, to there, there. And this is our completed development for the question which is on the left of the screen. What we can do now, we can label the development, right? So I'm gonna come here and we can label development here. So you can label it development. All right. Then we can draw an arrow to indicate the development. All right. Escape, undo. Let us draw the all right. So the development is a drawing that is in red, and the front elevation would be the yellow drawing that we drew. So in today's video, we looked at how we draw the development for an hexagonal base pyramid that is cut at a 45 degree angle. In the next video, we'll be looking at how we draw two objects that are intersecting. So the next video we'll be looking at intersection of solids. Bye.